Babalik na natin itong mga gamit natin. Ito naka-issue sa pangalan ko, 475. Loop calibrator. Babalik na natin sila sa store.
Loop calibrator pro changing.
Okay. Take any probe, no problem. This one I will return to store now. You like this probe for take this my multimeter. This is also my multimeter. Issue to my name. Okay. Take this good. And also RTD.
Yeah.
RTD calibrator. Okay. So I have 4 units in my bag. Multimeter, okay. Dahil release na tayo ngayon. Kunwari nakaplagay sa pangalan ko to. Ano to? Okay. Kalas. Uwi na. See you Philippines.